Mga kaibigan, kung pangarap nyo makapag-work dito sa Switzerland, ito ang tamang video o content na dapat nyong panoorin dahil pag-uusapan natin dito ang visa sponsorship jobs in Switzerland. Companies in Switzerland that offer visa sponsorship jobs. Number one, Nestle, ABB Limited, Novartis, Zurich Insurance Group, Credit Suisse, Glencore, Holcim, Rush Group, Rush Holding, Adecco, Swiss Re, Glencore. Okay. UBS, Swisscom. Ito naman po ang listahan ng mga international organizations na nag-offer po ng visa sponsorship jobs. Number one po ang CERN. CERN. CERN is a European organization based in Geneva, Switzerland that provides a lucrative salary, housing, airline tickets, family allowance, and other benefits. Okay, and Geneva Office of the United Nations. WHO is the World Health Organization. United Nations, yan, WTO, ILO, IUCN.